Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope you are all best. Welcome to my channel. So on this my content, my topic today about which I give you information about light. What is light and complete information about light, sunlight and many lights, rays. I will teach you in this my content. But first of all, if you're new, so also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so you start my topic about light. Light, visible light or visible radiation, is electromagnetic radiation that can be perceived by the human eye. Visible light spans the visible spectrum and is usually defined as having wavelength in the range of 400 to 700 nanometer. Nanometer is squared into nm and corresponding to frequencies of 750 to 420. 420 terahertz. The visible band sites adjacent to the infrared with longer wavelength and lower frequency, and the ultraviolet with the shorter wavelength and higher frequency, called collectively optical radiation. In physics, the term light may refer more broadly to electromagnetic radiation of any wavelength, whether visible or not. In the scene, gamma rays, X-rays, microwaves, and radio waves are also light. The primary properties of light are intensity, propagation, direction, frequency or wavelength spectrum, and polarization. Its speed in vacuum to 99792 m plus s is one of the fundamental constants of nature. Like all type of electromagnetic radiation, visible light propagates by massless elementary particles called photons that represent the quanta of electromagnetic field that and can be analyzed as both waves and particles. The study of light, known as optics, is an important research area in modern physics. The main source of natural light on Earth is the sun. Historically, another important source of light for humans has been fire, from ancient campfires to modern kerosene lamps. With the development of electric lights and power systems, electric lighting has effectively replaced firelight, electromagnetic spectrum, and visible light. Generally, electromagnetic radiation (EMR) is classified by wavelength into radio waves, microwaves, infrared, the visible spectrum that we perceive as light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. The designation radiation excludes static, electromagnetic, and near field. The behavior of EMR depends on its wavelength. Higher frequency have shorter wavelength, and lower frequency have longer wavelength. When EMR interacts with the single atoms and molecules, its behavior depends on the amount of energy per quantum it carries. And the behavior of EMR depends on its wavelength. Higher frequencies have shorter wavelength, and lower frequencies have longer wavelength. When EMR interacts with simple atoms and molecules, its behavior depends on the amount of energy per quantum it carries. EMR invisible light vision consists of quanta called photons. They are at the lower end energies that are capable of causing electronic excitation with molecules will lead to change in the bonding or chemistry of the molecule. At the lower end of the visible light spectrum, EMR becomes visible of human infrared because its photons no longer have enough individual energy to cause a lasting molecular change in conformation. In the visual molecule, retinal in the human retina, which change triggers the sensation of vision. The excipients that are sensitive to various types of infrared, but not by means of quantum absorption. Infrared sensation in snakes depends on the kind of natural thermal inspiration and imaging, in which tiny packets of cellular water are raised in temperature by the infrared radiation. EMR in this range causes molecular vibration and heating effects, which is how these animals detect it. So friends, how is my topic today about which I gave you information. I hope you understand. Take good knowledge for this my content. If you take good knowledge, so also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so now you go to my new topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz. We will meet our next new topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz. And next topic inshallah is very important for you. It's very scientific topic. Just for you I create. So now I go, take care, Allah Hafiz.